Łukasiewicz Institute of Aviation specialty is in space technology, indeed green propulsion, and we have been quite successful in the development and commercial implementation of green high-grade hydrogen peroxide of concentrations beyond 98%. And following this, we have been developing advanced catalyst beds for high-throughput engines and pulse operation long-duration firings, both monopropellant and bipropellant engines. Also hypergolic propellants, and recently we have also succeeded with green throttable systems, so one of the first of its kind in Europe, where you can obtain green throttable engines having very decent performance across the very wide throttling range.
So the Institute of Aviation itself, Łukasiewicz Research Network, has a real competence and real expertise in hydrogen peroxide and high test peroxide, high quality, not only in terms of the engineering and the design of the components, but also with great expertise in testing, the high quality testing of green propulsion engines. And along with the growing industrial consortium within Poland, producing really high quality engineering, cost efficient prices, makes Poland a really interesting partner for ESA and other commercial space actors in Europe.
The Poland's propulsion systems competencies are growing. They are part of our national requirements for investments. The confirmation of well-invest funding is definitely the outcome of the projects or the success which was conducted this year in July with the Institute of Aviation and a successful launch of suborbital flights to reach space or cross the Kármán line. But apart from the Institute of Aviation on the market in Poland, we have also other entities which also invest in the system, building the ecosystem in Poland.
Vacuum technology is basically really important for any progress in spaceflight and in the simulation of space conditions. We as a Bush Group, we can provide different solutions to create the vacuum conditions on Earth or space conditions on Earth. And this is absolutely necessary, because if you can simulate the vacuum conditions from the space directly on Earth, you can always develop new systems, better products, and this makes a big step forward in the future to build up better systems, to develop new thrusters, new test facilities, to make it much more safe for the industry and more affordable also for the industry, because you can test everything on Earth, and if you are sure that it will work out fine, then you can use it in the space or directly in the real system.
This event has been very fruitful, and we are very happy to have on site not only industry, not only public administration, but also our partners from the European Space Agency, also from American NASA. And we see the insight both from the side of industry and the side of academia and institutional space. And it is clear that it is the right timing for development of green propulsion. And for sure we have learned many of the new technologies which are out there, developed in different countries in Europe and the world. And there is perhaps no clear winner. It's not only hydrogen peroxide, it's not only nitrous oxide. We can see a market for probably a few of these, but it's also very exciting for us to be here and discuss it further. And we are also satisfied that the event is growing with each year, so we hope to be actually celebrating the next edition with an even wider audience again in this international framework.